My name is Dr. Christina Rahm, and years ago I worked on a patent that had to do with environmental, nutraceutical, pharmaceutical, human-animal health. I put a lot of research in it, a lot of time, but I thought there was so much more that I needed to do. See, the environment's toxic. Our land, air, and water is toxic, up to the stratosphere. It's always been a concern of mine. I grew up on a farm. I grew up being outside, thinking I was safe, and now I understand that even the air inside is toxic. I've worked on so many different things to try to solve it, but I started with really the human health side, knowing that I would end up on the environmental side. The patents that I wrote years ago discuss detoxing the land, air, and water by breaking things apart through using different types of zeolites and silicas. Since then, I've added other formulas to that, and I've changed it because it wasn't good enough for me. I wanted to be able to detox even the soil, and to be able to use different types of humic acid and different other ingredients that would assist with zeolites and assist with silicas in really solving these issues. Aging has always been something I've worked on. I would like to say that I've also focused almost even more on the environment. See, the soil produces the ingredients that I work on. And here's the problem. The soil is no longer able to give life or to grow things the way it used to be. We all think that when we pick up an orange there's vitamin C, but the problem is when our soil does not produce growth factors, when our soil is toxic, then what it produces is toxic. I don't care if it's organic, because the problem is if you produce something organic out of something that's not really living anyway, it's not healthy. I heard people talk about climate change. For me, as a scientist, as a nanobiotechnologist, climate change was just the tip of the iceberg. I even met Sadhguru, who is the Save the Soil campaign, where he's traveled all over the world trying to really help people with the soil. I believe in that mission. I believe in the mission of farmers that really want to produce things, that want to save the soil, that they understand that this is what can provide life. We worry about the ability for a mother to feed a child. If that mother does not get the nutrients she needs, she cannot feed the child. This is a major problem. In the next 20 to 30 years, how are we going to feed our children? We're already behind. We have a lot of work to do. I have made it a main focus of mine not to scare people. I have made it a goal to provide solutions. This is something that scares me. I have 4 children. It is my dedication as a scientist to really provide instruments and to provide the scientific knowledge to change the soil, to help the air, to help the earth, to help everything that we have. I want people to have clean water. I want people to have healthy food that gives them vitamins and nutrients. You can live to be 100. You can live to be 130, but you have to have nutrients and minerals. You have to have vitamins. You have to have food that really feeds your body. We have a lot to do, but there are answers. There are ways, and I have found some of those ways to really help the soil work, to help the air be breathable, to help the water be able to be a nutrient to our body instead of a hindrance because of the heavy metals in it. Join us in this as we travel throughout the world to really save the environment, because it's something we should be excited about and not sad about. We have to turn our energy from fear into hope by providing solutions together. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your dedication as we strive to help our world.